Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. Before getting started, make sure your Instagram account is a business version. It's free to use and comes with a lot of audience insights unavailable for a standard user's account. If you haven't turned your profile into business yet, you can do that from Instagram settings. After double-checking that you've got a business account, there are 3 ways to link it to a Facebook page. First, via the Instagram mobile app, and via Facebook page settings. On the first, open your Instagram business profile page and click Edit Profile. Under Public Business Information, click Page. Then, choose Create Facebook Page or connect an existing page. Typically, you'd pick to connect an existing one. From the list, choose a page that you'd like to connect, or select Create a new Facebook page. Then, tap Done after you've finished, and your Instagram business account is now connected to a Facebook page. Via Facebook page settings. On Facebook, click your account profile photo in the top right. Then, click See All Profiles and select the page that you'd like to connect with Instagram. Click your page's profile picture in the top right of the Facebook. Tap on the 3 lines. Select Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. In the left menu, choose Link Accounts and then Instagram. Click Connect Account and follow the instructions to connect your Facebook page and Instagram business account. And that's all. If Instagram prompts you to log into somebody else's Facebook account when configuring Account Center, it means somebody else already manages that Instagram profile in Account Center. In this situation, you will not be able to confirm the connection through the Instagram app. Instead, you should connect through Facebook if you have the right level of permission. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.